Here is a beginner-level Scrum Master quiz based on removing impediments, promoting agile values and principles, and enabling self-organizing teams. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary role of a Scrum Master in a Scrum team? A. Assigning tasks to developers. B. Ensuring that Scrum is understood and followed. C. Managing the project budget. And D. Writing code for the team. Answer: ensuring that Scrum is understood and followed. Question 2. Which of the following is not a responsibility of the Scrum Master? A. Removing impediments. B. Coaching the team on agile practices. C. Defining the product backlog. And D. Facilitating Scrum events. Answer: defining the product backlog. Question 3. What is an impediment in Scrum? A. Anything that prevents the team from making progress. B. A new feature request from the customer. C. A change in the product roadmap. And D. A new task added to the sprint. Answer: anything that prevents the team from making progress. Question 4. Who is responsible for removing impediments in a Scrum team? A. The development team. B. The Scrum Master. C. The product owner. And D. The stakeholders. Answer: the Scrum Master. Question 5. How does a Scrum Master promote agile values in the team? A. By enforcing strict rules. B. By focusing only on sprint deadlines. C. By managing the team's daily tasks. And D. By guiding the team in self-management and collaboration. Answer: by guiding the team in self-management and collaboration. Question 6. Which of the following is a key Agile value from the Agile Manifesto? A. Processes over individuals. B. Working software over comprehensive documentation. C. Following the plan over responding to change. And D. Contract negotiation over customer collaboration. Answer: working software over comprehensive documentation. Question 7. The Scrum Master helps the team become self-organizing by A. Encouraging team members to solve problems independently. B. Telling the team exactly how to do their work. C. Making all the decisions for the team. And D. Assigning tasks to each team member. Answer: encouraging team members to solve problems independently. Question 8. Which Scrum event is designed to help the team inspect and adapt their process? A. Sprint planning. B. Daily Scrum. C. Sprint review. And D. Sprint retrospective. Answer: Sprint retrospective. Question 9. What should the Scrum Master do if the development team is frequently missing sprint goals? A. Replace underperforming team members. B. Extend the sprint length. C. Facilitate a discussion to identify root causes and improvements. And D. Reduce the workload of the product owner. Answer: facilitate a discussion to identify root causes and improvements. Question 10. What is the best way for a Scrum Master to handle external interruptions affecting the team? A. Shield the team and manage external requests through the product owner. B. Block all communication with external stakeholders. C. Allow interruptions as they happen. And D. Ask the team to deal with interruptions on their own. Answer: shield the team and manage external requests through the product owner. Congratulations on completing the first 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Why is self-organization important in a Scrum team? A. It eliminates the need for leadership. B. It helps the team take ownership of their work and make decisions. C. It allows the Scrum Master to focus on coding. And D. It ensures that work is distributed equally among team members. Answer: it helps the team take ownership of their work and make decisions. Question 12. The Scrum Master ensures that the Scrum team follows which Agile principle? A. Working in silos. B. Focusing on contract negotiation. C. Delivering value frequently. And D. Avoiding changes in requirements. Answer: delivering value frequently. Question 13. Which of the following is an effective way to remove impediments? A. Waiting for the team to solve issues themselves. B. Identifying and addressing blockers proactively. C. Assigning more work to the team. And D. Ignoring minor issues to maintain team autonomy. Answer: identifying and addressing blockers proactively. Question 14. What is the ideal Scrum team size recommended in the Scrum Guide? A. 3 to 9 members. B. 10 to 15 members. C. 1 to 3 members. And D. More than 15 members. Answer: 3 to 9 members. Question 15. How often should the daily Scrum be conducted? A. Once per sprint. B. Every 2 days. C. Once per week. And D. Every working day. Answer: every working day. Question 16. Which statement best describes the Scrum Master's role in sprint planning? A. The Scrum Master assigns tasks to team members. B. The Scrum Master facilitates the meeting and helps the team understand the sprint goal. C. The Scrum Master defines the sprint backlog. And D. The Scrum Master prioritizes user stories. Answer: the Scrum Master facilitates the meeting and helps the team understand the sprint goal. Question 17. Which metric is commonly used to measure the team's progress in a sprint? A. Velocity. B. ROI. C. Revenue. And D. Customer feedback. Answer: velocity. Question 18. What should a Scrum Master do if a stakeholder disrupts the development team during a sprint? A. Allow the stakeholder to assign tasks to the team. B. Politely redirect the stakeholder to the product owner. C. Ignore the stakeholder. And D. Ask the team to accommodate the stakeholder's request immediately. Answer: politely redirect the stakeholder to the product owner. Question 19. What is the purpose of a sprint review? A. To discuss personal performance of team members. B. To inspect the product increment and gather feedback. C. To extend the sprint if work is unfinished. And D. To reassign tasks for the next sprint. Answer: to inspect the product increment and gather feedback. Question 20. How does a Scrum Master support the product owner? A. By writing user stories. B. By making all product decisions. C. By helping the team understand backlog priorities. And D. By ignoring stakeholder feedback. Answer: by helping the team understand backlog priorities. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.